Welcome back, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in and joining me for this update. We're looking at color images of the possible entranceways that are discovered on Mars. These have now been shared extensively on Space Link TV with Thomas Mikey Jensen, Joe at Art Alien TV, and Bear over at Leak Project. Thanks, guys, for sharing this information. We need to get this out to the public as far and wide and as quickly as possible. There's something up with these anomalies, folks. Are we looking at possible soft disclosure, or is this just a natural freak of nature? Let's take a look. I'll include the link to Neville Thompson's Gigapan in the video description below. So let's have a look at those anomalies in color. Thanks, Neville. This is awesome. So we're looking at the entranceway there, the possible second entranceway over here to the left, and then we're looking at strange blocks over here to the right. Let's zoom in on the main entranceway. Check out the color over here, folks. This looks like plaster. Very well defined piece over here. Check out the uniform thickness to it as well, and the right angle. It looks very, very artificial. Not like the random shapes around here, folks. This looks like it's been cut into the side of what might be a structure, who knows. Bear over at Leak Project compares this to some entranceways here on Earth. I'll include the link to his video in the description below as well. So check out the uncanny symmetry and geometry of that shape. Then we have the second possible entranceway right there, folks. It's in the shadow behind this huge piece over here. So it's slightly hidden. So let's zoom in on that. Check this out, folks. We've got a uniform thickness to that slab as well, and a diagonal line running across from the top left to the bottom right. Could that be another entranceway? And then we're looking at this anomaly over here, courtesy of Thomas Mikey Jensen over at Space Link TV. I'll include the link to his video and channel in the description as well. Check out the flat side over here. And then these look like blocks. Check this out, folks. And they're roughly the same size. Nicely spotted, Thomas. I like it. And then Joe from Art Alien TV has also shown us a couple of other anomalies that look like concrete with rebar inside it. So we're looking at possible structures over here, folks. Or is it just a total freak of nature? That concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching. To my new subscribers, welcome on board. And to my veteran viewers and supporters, thank you for your viewership and support. Much appreciated, everybody. Take care. I'll see you soon in the next one. Cheers for now.